I was born in 1940 at Randwick Hospital in New South Wales. I wanted to be an ornithologist. My father was horrified, and at the age of 13 I got into Flinders Naval Depot as a cadet midshipman. I was not considered acceptable. The grandfather of one of the other cadets said, as I was interested in photography, give Roy Barcham a ring at Kodak. So we made an appointment for the following day, and I had my first taste of Melbourne, Collins Street tram, and 252 Collins Street saw Roy Barcham. He employed me as a trainee. £4 9 and 6 was what I started on. £4 went in board and lodgings and weekly train ticket. I ended up as an assistant to Jim Morgan on the second-hand counter at Collins Street, and from there I went to the movie department on the first floor under Ern Bridson, the cine department where they also rented movies, 16mm movies, and edited and repaired them. Joy Bowen was the woman that ran that for years. And then downstairs to the Kodachrome section, which was manned in those days by my future wife. She was supervisor of the Kodachrome counter. From there I went to the retail counter. I became a representative, and since I was too young to drive a car even then, and I was the youngest rep ever at that stage, I was given the Golden Square as my first. So my very first call was the biggest retail customer in Victoria, Myers. I was promoted to a suburban rep with a car, and I didn't dint that for a couple of months. We announced our engagement, and Arthur Watson, the manager of Victoria, called me in and said, as of next week, you're a country representative. My main area was Gippsland. At the start I was selling dealer objects, so anything that was on sale in a retail store I sold. And we'd have specials. I was in on the introduction of the original Instamatic, for instance, where one of our main support ads was a packet of Capstan cigarettes, which was printed up as a Instamatic. And when you pushed the tray open to offer the cigarette, the inside of the tray was the flash gun that popped up. And that's why I gave up smoking, because one afternoon I found I smoked all 200 on the way up to Omeo. And I went into the photo finishing, and I started calling on people, Film Pro and Bannards and all the other little black and white labs that were around the place. And then I was asked to develop a sales method for the new market of mini labs. It was the best company I ever worked for when I started until the American influence started to come in, and after that we parted company because we just didn't see eye to eye.